whatever Mahadeva told, I digested it, so I am sharing. So it is useful to all of you. You all also digest it first, and then for you and for others it will be useful. So any postponing of perpetual completion is failure of life. Please understand. It is failure of life. The perpetual completion only, Mahadeva calls it as Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Mahadeva uses the word Nirvikalpa Samadhi, means Vigalpa means incompletion, Nirvikalpa means without incompletion, Samadhi means perpetually being the source. Sama, equivalent to Adi, source. Being equivalent to the source perpetually. All of you understand? So now, you are going to do a very unique process. There is no guideline for this process, that is why it is unique. You will sit, if incompletion comes up, you will find the incident, the pattern, incident, pen down, relive, and once you feel you are complete, sit and wait again when the next thought current, incompletion, distraction comes up, catch the pattern, incident, relive, again sit, till you feel comfortably sitting happily within yourself. If you are comfortably, happily able to sit within yourself, good for you and good for me. No, really. Because if you have doubt on you, you will have doubt on me. If you have hatred on you, you will have hatred on me. If you have denial on you, you will have denial on me. Same way, if you are just in love with me, you will discover you and you will be loving with you. I am just your mirror. Understand? I am just your mirror. One day early morning, wife picked up the broom and the chapel and started beating the husband as usual. Shouting, did you drink and come? Did you drink and come yesterday night? That fellow was crying, screaming, no, no, no. I have not drunk, I have not drunk. See. Is there any symptom of drinking? And then she shouts, what happened? Why the wounds, so many wounds in the face? He said, what wounds, what wounds? Yesterday night itself I already put the plaster and medicine. And she just drags him to the bathroom. There he sees the plaster is all over the mirror. Understand? Most of the time you are wasting your energy putting the plaster on the mirror. If you have doubt on me, look into you. If you have hatred on me, look into you. If you have denial on me, look into you. You can't do anything to me. Be very clear. Your doubt, your hatred, your denial is going to destroy you, not me. I have seen enough. I have seen enough. So look into you. You are putting the plaster on mirror and expecting your pain to be healed, your disease to be healed. If you are in perpetual completion, automatically you will fall into Nirvikalpa Samadhi, because I am radiating that. I hold all of you in that space. Please understand, I am not holding all of you on your bed. I am holding all of you on Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Just come to the perpetual completion. you will simply catch it. You will catch it. Instead, if you are thinking, no, let my wife start listening to me, then I will come to completion. Let my business settle down, then I will come to completion. No, let my stomach pain become all right, then I will become completion. I will come to completion. Let my money and all settle in the bank, then I will come to completion. No, you will never understand. Come to completion, all that will be settled. Come to completion, all that will be settled. It is not the other way around. It is not the other way around.
I hear about perpetual completion, about reliving things of the past.
Yes.
But if we live fully the present moment, that's enough?
No, listen. The present is only a myth for you till you are rid of your past and load of the future. Listen, as and now, your reality is your past only. The present is not your reality, because you are so into past. Only if you are free from there, your present will become reality for you. It's like when I say I, that word has no meaning. It is, see, when you say the word God, it is empty word, the concept you learnt, not reality. But when you say I, it's reality, your perception, because you know that. In my case, when I say I, it is empty concept which I heard from all of you. When I say God, it's reality for me. Understand? Same way for you, you are so into your past, the present is a myth for you. Only when you are free from that, the present will become reality for you. So this perpetual completion is to relieve you from the load of the past.
So I need to go back a lot of times to the past and...
Don't worry about, there is actually, you are thinking if you have 2000 pattern, you have to complete all the 2000. No, that is not the thing. Listen to this story. Two fellows went to forest for hunting. Suddenly they saw a bear. One guy started running. The other guy shouted, "Hey, you think you can outrun the bear?" This fellow said, "No, I have to outrun you, that's all. Because bear will catch you." I don't need to outrun the bear speed. I have to outrun your speed, that's all. You understand? Same way, if there is 2000 pattern, you don't have to complete with all 2000 pattern. Just if you complete first 7, 8, that itself will make all the other 2000 lose courage and power over you. If you declare the declaration, your authority over the capital, the whole country will follow you. If you declare the authority over the few incompletion, the whole incompletion zone will follow you. All that will just relax and it will not be any more incompletion. They will become irrelevant to you. You understand? So you don't have to worry, forever you have to be sitting and doing completion. You are getting what I am saying?
Yes, so I need to choose, for example.
You don't need to choose. Whatever incompletion is choosing you and haunting you, catch them. Even if you sit quietly, they will be there coming and catching your neck, harassing you. Catch them and complete. That's enough.
You mean, for example, tiredness or lost. I just go back and see when that happens first?
Yes. Why you decided to take the tiredness as your response?
Maybe not the first incident, but some of them, right?
Any incident, but it will automatically go to the root incident. Clear?
Yes, better than before, thank you.
And one more thing, you can have cup of coffee, tea, snacks, water, anything you want around you. Only one condition, you can't sleep. And if you don't sleep, automatically your patterns will harass you, will haunt you. No. And you have to come to completion. Nothing can be done. Understand? You can't even be sitting and imagining about your future. I'll become like that, I'll become like that. 2-3 minutes, fourth minute, the incompletions will come up there also. How many things you imagine? Have you ever achieved or what? Stupid fellow. Thoo. It will spit on you. And it will lead to powerlessness. And no, you have your own mechanism to torture you. You don't need a separate mechanism. Only if you complete, you will be free. That is why I am saying, you can have a cup of coffee, tea, snack, everything. I'll tell them to provide water. You can have everything around you. But you can't sleep. You will see by 2-3 hours you will come to terms with you. I have always seen in this process, people come down from all that stupid violence. If they do it sincerely, the violence, anger they carry about others, everything they look, everything they see, they deal only with violence. You deal only with rejection. First thing, reject. Don't even see. I have seen how different culture, different background people respond. Whenever a Western teenage kid is brought to me by the parents, he will do this, Namaste Swamiji, and search for my feet, because he would have been instructed, you have to touch the feet. Search for my feet and touch the feet, and he will be so cautious that he is doing all the respect and he is not hurting any sentiment. He will be so sincere. And whenever a Telugu kid is brought, I have seen he will do the Abhivadaye and do Namaskar. Whenever a Kannadiga kid is brought, he will do a Sashtang Namaskar. I know how they each one react. Whenever this Tamil teenager kid, especially NRI fellows they brought, the moment I see the Indian skin and, hi Swami, how do you do? Immediately my response, Endha Urupa? Means, from which place you are from? Now I know how each one responds in every situation. Because unfortunately, we start with rejection. Dump everything. I know. Okay, if you know, no. Do what you want. Do what you know. I tell you, blessed are those who can listen and imbibe. If you want to destroy somebody, you don't need to do anything. Somehow make him believe he doesn't need to learn from anybody. That's enough, he will be destroyed. He's gone. He's gone. Gone for his life, his Shraddha is done, and now you can be free. He will never be able to conquer you. See, for your enemy, the only thing you have to do is somehow make him believe he knows everything, he doesn't need to learn. That is enough. He is destroyed. Nothing more need to be done. And agitation makes you believe you know everything. You know everything. In perpetual completion, anything you see, you know how, you only will look how this can add strength to me, how I can add strength to this. In perpetual completion, the Sama Adi, the oneness is celebrated. Sama Adi means oneness with the source. So oneness with the source means always how can I support and how can I enrich and be enriched. That's all. Sama Adi, whenever it is experienced, the inclusion becomes the frame of working. Understand? That is why I have always seen the people who approach with the love and devotion, I know they will be blessed wherever they go. Wherever they go. Because the inclusion becomes their thought trend. Inclusion becomes the base current. But this perpetual incompletion, I am creating a new word. Perpetual incompletion, whichever you see reject, criticize, behind the back. Actually, being something in the front and being something else in the behind the back, you are stupid. Nobody else. You are stupid. It breaks your energy, not anybody else's energy. Understand? I have seen fellows who will come here and sit, and in the front, oh, Swami, 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 they will do everything, and behind the back, making fun or criticizing. It is stupid. It is so stupid to have the broken personality. It's wasting your time and my time. So most of the time, the agitation makes you perpetually incomplete and makes you reject everything in life. See the father, reject. See mother, reject. See the husband, reject. See the wife, reject. See the office, reject. Everything. You keep them minimal, you keep in contact only to suck or exploit whatever minimal things you want. Nothing more than that. So how much I have to go to office to catch my salary? That much only. I will never add myself more to that. It is like a minimal involvement life. And all the time, the rejection and criticism is in the edge of your tongue. That is what is perpetual incompletion. Perpetual incompletion. Perpetual completion is Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Perpetual incompletion is Vikalpa Samadhi.
Okay, I have a quick question. So whenever I'm just sitting by myself or just I have nothing in my mind, suddenly like one of the songs that we played here will be playing, like just in the back of my head.
I think that is not completion. That can be a good distraction.
Okay.
Mostly good distraction. Good distraction is not completion.
Then how do I overcome that? Because it's been happening.
Catch the root of the incompletion and relive.